and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on automation and orchestration in AIOps. As IT infrastructures grow more complex, organizations are leveraging artificial intelligence for IT operations, AIOps, to automate and orchestrate incident management, root cause analysis, and resolution workflows. In this tutorial, we will explore how AI-powered automation helps IT teams detect, diagnose, and resolve incidents with minimal human intervention. By the end of this session, you'll understand how AI detects issues proactively, how incident management is automated, how AI helps prioritize issues and resolve them faster, how workflows are automated and orchestrated, how ISM tools like ServiceNow and Jira integrate with AIOps, how chatbots and virtual assistants improve incident resolution. Let's get started. AIOps leverages machine learning models and real-time data analytics to detect anomalies before they escalate into major incidents. Imagine an e-commerce website experiencing slow response times. Traditional monitoring tools might alert you when a threshold is breached, but AIOps solutions can analyze trends and predict performance degradation before users notice a problem. AIOps achieves this through pattern recognition. AI learns from historical data to identify deviations. Anomaly detection. Machine learning flags unusual system behavior. Predictive analytics. AI forecasts potential failures. By detecting issues early, IT teams can take proactive measures instead of waiting for something to break. Once an issue is detected, AIOps can automatically create an incident and trigger the resolution process without human intervention. Let's understand how this works. 1. AI logs incidents in an ITSM tool. 2. It assigns the incident to the right team or automation workflow. 3. If a known solution exists, AI executes automated remediation. A good example of this would be a situation where a failed Kubernetes pod is detected. AIOps automatically restarts it before end users notice downtime. Automating incident management reduces mean time to resolution, MTTR, and eliminates manual work. Kindly note that not all incidents are equal. Some issues impact business operations more than others. AIOps uses AI-driven prioritization to rank incidents based on 1. Severity, critical, high, medium, low. 2. Business impact, affects revenue, customers, or security. 3. Past incident trends, has this issue happened before? A good example of this would be a network outage affecting customer payments would be prioritized over a minor log file error. This ensures critical issues are addressed first, improving IT efficiency. Now, finding the root cause of an issue manually can take hours or even days. AIOps automates RCA using log analysis to find patterns in past incidents. Correlation engines that link multiple alerts to a common root cause. Dependency mapping to see how different services are connected. Imagine instead of just restarting a failing microservice, AIOps might discover that high database latency is the real issue. By identifying the true root cause, AIOps prevents the same issue from recurring. Once an issue and its root cause are identified, automated remediation can take place. AIOps automates workflows such as restarting failed services, scaling resources up or down, rolling back to a stable version, running diagnostic scripts. For example, if a server's CPU usage spikes, AIOps can automatically allocate more compute power or restart the affected process. By reducing manual interventions, teams can focus on strategic tasks rather than firefighting IT incidents. Orchestration goes beyond individual automation tasks. It coordinates multiple automated actions into a seamless incident response strategy. Some example of AIOps orchestration. AI detects a failing application pod. It checks the logs and identifies memory leaks. It triggers an automated remediation, such as scaling memory allocation. If the issue persists, AIOps notifies the IT team with a full diagnostic report. This end-to-end orchestration ensures a structured and efficient response to IT incidents. To provide a structured incident management process, AIOps integrates with IT service management, ITSM, tools like ServiceNow. AI can auto-create tickets, assign teams, and update statuses. Jira, AI can log bug reports and track issue resolution. If an AIOps system detects a security vulnerability, it can automatically generate a ServiceNow ticket, assign it to the cybersecurity team, and track resolution progress. Integration ensures a seamless flow between AI-driven automation and human intervention when necessary. AI-powered chatbots enhance IT support by providing instant responses to common issues. Now, let's understand how chatbots help IT teams. 1. They answer IT queries. How do I reset my password? 2. They trigger automated scripts. Restart my virtual machine. 3. They escalate complex issues to human engineers. For example, instead of calling IT support, an employee can chat with a virtual assistant that automatically restarts a frozen application. Chatbots improve IT efficiency by handling routine tasks, freeing up engineers for more critical work. AIOps is revolutionizing IT operations by leveraging automation and orchestration to detect, diagnose, and resolve incidents faster. To recap, in this tutorial, we covered how AI detects issues proactively, how incidents are automatically managed and prioritized, how AI speeds up root cause analysis and remediation, how orchestration improves IT efficiency, how AIOps integrates with ISM tools like ServiceNow and Jira, how chatbots enhance IT support. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.